Hi everyone, welcome back to the PC Error Detective channel. In today's video, we're going to cover how to check Wi-Fi driver in Windows 10 step by step. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest tips and tutorials. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Start by pressing the Windows key and the X key together on your keyboard. From the menu that appears, select Device Manager to open it. Step 2. In the Device Manager window, locate and expand the Network Adapters section. This will show you a list of all network adapters installed on your computer. Step 3. Find your wireless adapter in the list. Right-click on it and choose Properties from the context menu. Step 4. In the Properties window, navigate to the Details tab. Step 5. From the drop-down menu under Property, select Hardware IDs. Here, you can view the wireless network adapter's driver name and version. Additionally, you can check other details such as the driver date, provider, and installation date. And that's how you can check and manage Wi-Fi driver in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.